Welcome back. The state has told the Bloemfontein Regional Court that it has a strong case against the 8 accused in the multi-million rand Estina dairy farm corruption project. This despite the strong opposition from the accused legal representatives to have their case struck off the roll.
The accused are facing, amongst other charges, fraud and corruption charges relating to the more than 220 million rand Estina dairy project in Vrede in the Free State. The accused contend that the state has a weak case against them. They cited flawed processes which prompted the High Court to unfreeze the Gupta assets. Advocate Michael Helens, who represents 4 of the accused, has objected to the state's request for a postponement.
He's argued that further delays will infringe on the accused's constitutional rights. The state's contention is that the case is complex and also involves international departments for further information.
We have informed the court that we are requesting a postponement of at least 3 or maximum 5 months because there are still other issues that we have to follow up. Like the prosecutor said in court, we received about 300 financial statements that must be analyzed by the auditors that we have that are assisting us in the investigations. So we're hoping that within 5 months we'll be done with the investigation. Then we can start talking about the trial date.
There were many senior counsels were talking about the case being struck off the roll. What do you say about it?
We knew that they're going to request for the matter to be struck off the roll, and we knew that they're going to use the 3 judgments that went against us. Number 1 is the preservation order in the High Court in March, and the second, number 2, is the restraint order that also went in favor of the accused. Number 3 was the relaxation of bail application that was applied for Varan Gupta. But we are still saying they're making those kinds of statements saying that the state does not have a case based on just a small information that has been provided to court. Remember, we have access to docket. They don't have access to docket. So for them to come and say to court that we don't have a case when they don't know what are the contents of the docket, it's unfortunate.